this one says if you have a b to the x power, then that is equal to a to the x, b to the x. So what you really did is like you distributed this x to each of the things that were inside the parentheses. And so what do you feel like is the main difference between this rule and the last rule?
Well, I think it looks like the last rule, they have you multiply the exponents, and then there is no b inside the parentheses.
Yes, there's no b, exactly. So in this case, what they're really trying to show you is when you have two different bases in the parentheses, let's say like this, and then they are multiplied to each other and there's an exponent, then you just have to give that exponent to each of the bases. Okay, then, so that's what this rule says, and then whereas the other one tells you that you are also supposed to multiply the exponents. Next, what about this situation? What do you think happens here?
This one would just be a to the x plus b to the x, right?
No, this one is, this is another situation where there's no rule.
What? Like, why are you tricking me like that?
I apologize, I'm not trying to do that, but actually, I want you to know, like, not just what to do, but I also want you to know what not to do. So I think that it helps if we look at both situations.